Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make sauerkraut without salt. Easy guide. Pack shredded cabbage firmly into a clean jar and press until its natural juices rise to cover the vegetables, then weigh it down. Use a non-reactive weight or a small sealed bag of water to keep everything submerged. Keep the jar at room temperature away from direct sunlight and check daily for bubbles and aroma as fermentation progresses. Start by removing the core and shredding cabbage into even pieces for consistent texture. Massage the cabbage firmly for several minutes to release its natural juices, which act as the brine in a salt-free method. If you like, add caraway seeds, juniper berries, or a bit of grated apple for extra flavor. Pack the cabbage tightly into a jar, pressing down so juices rise, and cover the vegetable completely before sealing. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and smart mapping for effortless floors after kitchen prep. It's a fun helper when you're shredding cabbage or cleaning up spills, and it saves time for more fermenting experiments. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Maintain a stable room temperature and keep the cabbage fully submerged under its juices to avoid mold. Fermentation will start within a couple of days, producing bubbles and a tangy aroma as beneficial bacteria convert sugars. Taste your sauerkraut periodically until it reaches the acidity you prefer. This may take several days to a few weeks. Once you like the flavor, move the jar to the refrigerator to slow fermentation and store for months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.